Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Intercom Fin for automated customer replies, full guide step by step clearly. To configure Intercom Fin for automated customer replies, begin by logging into your Intercom account. Navigate to the inbox section on the left sidebar. Click on Fin to access the automated replies feature. Select New Fin to create a new automated response. Choose the scenario for which you want to set up Fin. Input the customer query or situation that will trigger the automated reply. Write a clear and concise response that addresses the query directly. Optionally, you can add follow-up questions to gather more information from the customer. Review the settings to ensure everything is configured correctly, including the activation status. Save your new Fin response to complete the setup. To test the automated reply, use a test account to simulate a customer query. Ensure the response is accurate and meets customer needs. If necessary, adjust the wording or add additional information based on your test results. Once satisfied, roll out the Fin response to your live environment. Monitor the interactions to evaluate customer satisfaction with automated replies. Make iterative improvements based on customer feedback and performance metrics. This setup will help streamline your customer support process effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.